This is the 71 mint tin of Altoids, the wintergreen flavor, and I gotta say, this is my all-time favorite mint. Now, if I flip it around to the back here, you can kind of read some of the nutritional facts. This is a metal tin, and I've had this for, I want to say, half a year now, and you can see it's gotten biffed up and beefed up, but the mints are still great inside. It comes with this piece of paper, and then, yes, I've been eating them. There's many of them gone now. I use these, and they are by far my favorite mint. One of the things that I like about this is that the mint doesn't overpower. It's actually pleasant, and it's refreshing, especially this wintergreen flavor, which is my favorite. It's very refreshing when you have one, and it keeps your breath smelling kind of wintergreeny and refreshing rather than anything else that it could smell like. So if you're in the market for some mints, I look at these as being pretty classy. You know, I think these are phenomenal mints. They taste amazing. I highly recommend them.